Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates, and give me your valuable opinion. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 gaming consoles. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Best of 5. Microsoft Xbox One console. Watch 4K Blu-ray movies, and stream 4K video on Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, and more. The most advanced multiplayer network provides steady gameplay and fast downloads. Xbox Game Pass gives you instant, unlimited access to over 100 highly rated and fun games. Enjoy the freedom of Xbox Play Anywhere games on both Xbox One and Windows. Xbox One games and accessories work together. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Sony PlayStation 4 console. Incredible games, endless entertainment. All new lighter, slimmer PS4. 1 TB hard drive, for all of the greatest games. All the greatest, games, TV, music and more. Best of 3. ATARI FLASHBACK game player. Including, Pac-Man, Dig Dug TM, Pitfall, TM, Frogger, and many more. Portable player featuring Pac-Man, Galaga, and Pitfall. This portable player is a premium handheld version of original console. The following greatest hits are included in the 70 games. Best of 2. Nintendo Neon game console. Nintendo Switch rests in the dock that connects the system to the TV and lets you play with family and friends. Lift Nintendo Switch from the dock and instantly transition to handheld mode for on-the-go gaming. Flip the stand to share the screen, then share your Joy-Con controller for instant multiplayer fun. With over 1,000 games on Nintendo Switch, there's a game for every gathering. Best of 1. Xbox One X 1 TB console. Customize your own Xbox One X bundle. Included, Xbox One X 1 TB console, Xbox wireless controller, HDMI cable, and power cable. Custom Arctic Islands-based GPU, 1.172 GHz, 6 flops. Ultra HD Blu-ray, up to 50 GB, DVD, CD. Max resolution, 2160p, 4K UHD, 60 Hz. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please, give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share, and comments.